Yo, Ghana for me pese me twema adwene si bribi so hanom. Me hu bribi sa asem krase 7 kwasem adokro yen wo Ghana dodo. Me pese me ka kire wo si. Aban biara ni ho a obepa obema niama ye foa to the sense ni ambra wo ton 1 cedi no inde wo beton 1 cedi. Enye sa na ti wo ba bia. Nyansan kan kire wo si abra adechen adesan wiase konanimu no na niama nso ye den ere konanimu. Wiase afana ba bia. Enti wiase den ne de ebekọ so ayeden wiase konanim nyina na wiase gusu yeden na emom wo citizen no ni anyansan kan kire wo se aban na obeba no nhyehyɛ ben ina ɔwɔ ma wo aban obeba no onihwe obeya endra ni ana wo tɔ no 1 cedi ne ne wo betɔ no 1 cedi still ebekɔ nanim but aban no won hyehyɛ ya ɔde begu hɔ ama wo a won so wo kom bedwo kakra ana wo ho behenhan wo kakra. And no na your friend policies, good policies. Edema wo citizens. And to wo citizen, aben bi obebi anu wo nia eye we ni da so kese. Eye policy a ordereba. Aben bi are metete uniama so ma. Aben bi ani wo beba oba betete uniama so akosi se endra ade ana wo ton 1 cedi na na oba beton 50 pesos ana be koso aton 1 cedi anti sa wo ba bia. Enu nti ye hwa ade JJ Rollins wo so. Oye ni obetimi aye but wa mame no policy bia beka si wa ma Ghana for policy a Ghana for nso enya we emfasode we ewo JJ Rollins nsem wanye bia ma Ghana ofi ho kufuo bai no ohun se wiase rekonanim no na wiase na yeden o man ni mu yeden enti onfa hyehye bi nsungu ho ema timemufo no na won so wonya won faso na at least won kom ndo won kakra. Enti kufo beye den obeye health insurance ama Ghana ni bia ukita health insurance na ko hospital ye nye usika ye nyina ye nim aside no kufo beye basic education free because those time ye pamu school fees ube una school for so yo ade ya pamu ye school fees because of sa basic education school fees ni enti no obi entumi anwe GSS teta because we nya sika entua school fees e wo ho enti kufo beye no free. Eno de adwudwo timaimu ye maame no ne timaimufo no o de adwudwo won kom kakra obeye ni free krampo no sign the school feeding sign pay so what you say no aban no sign the school feeding by emo employer maame no mu bi ne yen anti funi bu bia o mo sign nu aduan kra wo school mu ma aban sign tua won ka wo ye no fiwa kufuo ebeye free maternal care opinfu bia wo hospital a free enti sika obekwa ko tua enei obi tumi ka hospital because of wako wo onye sika ntua na bills enti waka ho wawewie so ba fie be ye ne ho aduru no waka hospital ho ba kufuo ebeye ni free ma opinfu bia wo hospital a free so that says kana odi betua hospital bills no wo de betete uniama so ewo fie because we are sene konanim niama boye den enti esa aban ne fefa ye ho ka bi utie nyansa aside there no kufuo sign the buses kufuo na ye first president or the buses hwe kufuo amemu 8 years no e ma JJ Rollins ne 19 years na ye totally useless kufuo 8 years na ma ye hu se JJ 19 years no ye totally useless kufuo kwasesa buses aban buses se be gu or mining because fuel ni konanim no transportation bo be yeden enti aban buses ne dey at least transportation be yeden ye so be teton kakra eno ne friend good policies for the citizens sabre no uye school nimpo na se wo fro aban bus na ye nje usika kufuo de buses ne ba kro mo foforo no ye ma menom ne ye ofa no bia sabre no o mani efi no wo sheda kra fro bus ne ko kro mo keke because na transportation na yet say 20 pesos in nei ne bon ye den ba ko se wo ye suku ni wo free free kufuo de niama bebre egu apon so ye den ye ma Ghana akakre ya ma bobo su impo no na chese ho no o de abetew ye mbreso o de abetew ye ma menom ne ye ntimem fo ne breso kakra Ghana fo se ye mpe we nyina ene ye sign to aba against MPP aban ye ho na ye down for no right after kufuo na yede kufuo ado baya anka nei Ghana akonanim bebre sen ya yehui ena yeyi Ghana yeyi MPP aban fi wona NDC ba me pacho NDC ba no kire me policy ba ko pempa wo de be kan ne Akufuo ye ne ho rather no ne Akufuo de gu aponso ma ye ni nyina no wo be collapse ni nyina wo be collapse health insurance e collapse free maternal care aban basis na wo collapse bibia wo ba yo mentimi anfa bibi ba ko kura nyansa di bia mbre Ghana fo Kufuor pencil wo friend den LPG liquefied petroleum gas ya your friend gas na wadi gu car e di chinchin efie mi boa mini to obobo me na wo ye dede na ye yen cylinders ni yakọ fele ewo abonten car e de ba abonten NDC ene wo friend den atamils ne John Dramani pencil gas o pe bia to be bia wunya utumi na nto ko efroka ko chiri baby na no kra obekọ no line obekọ akodi so ansa na wenya gas no light nyina je fun wo manim o manim yes poto tan no policy for the citizens ena no nyame child was sai kwai ena Akufuo bai an ye hwe kra no so the policy ba ko bai ye free senior high educational policy many would the dance say ye we busua bi wo Ghana omo record first nipa we senior high wa bra Akufuo adomo tumede free senior high by ansa na ebusua bi nya obi a we senior high wo ebusua ebusua bi tumi nya nurse ni teacher ni police ni hwan ni wo nanado beye free senior high na ebusua ni bi tumi nya sankrofo ni bi wo ebusua me bo ami ni to abobo me ye won Nkwasiafuo bi wo ha no wakasetia free SHS Nkwasiafuo nyina mpo no enye won akọ school o man ko school ni bi ubi sa wan ya wo be kan ne se na emu ye den na fie ye den enti no o ma wofo entumi afọ ma nkọ na sa ben bi aba no the policy bi aba se eye sa abofre bi atumi ko senior high wi a na Nkwasiafuo we gina wakase wo friend den senior high no enya de papa na se wo citizen no so jedi a chese we gimi wa dwene ye adwuma obi ti say o se wo friend Christian Awuni ona to jagbajagba ti say dabo o pe baby ato na maame we e ka kire o se free senior high enya ono na wofo efie ya sankoko obi na se wo citizen na wo nim say ye no wo so jedi say enye entimeto aba agency a it means say wa dwene ye adwuma NDC aba besine ye hu ni omo ye wade to ha wade ato ha wo ba na nka won so wade wo ba even free senior high no kroma be say no senior high school ma be say no and Mike Man West o ma say no forever and ever enjina na nice biem then odi aba nothing onu on fa policy bi amre wo eno onu so on siesi o man ma o man mfa ne ntama papa mfra entime no abana yeto say ye be benefit anase yeto say ye pese ye hu particular party bi say ye pese party we na eba so ma ye keke moma ye ma ya adwene enye adwuma e wo Ghana na mbo ame na woto aba ma wo ho ento aba for in the name of say me pese party e ana party bi ye den ba hwe form ade kakra na hunyansa kakra
ensem no de tu dwa no sa na tie the credit say there is no government obeba ama banchana body out on 2 cities no eso ati akọ 1 city. It is never going to happen. So I just show to say there is this political party and our government be ebeba enema price no ebe free be one aba from one, and that's the reason why you vote sa asem no enne no say the enwe kwa pim na ka cho no. It is never true. There is no government that obetimi aba abema enema woto no a price no eswaring at it. It is never true. So don't be deceived by anyone or abeka say so mama me ba betimi ama na be ebu aba form enya dey possible. So you have to vote based on a year nipa no policies or the begu akwan mu na so hwe policy no na o de way policy na o hwe say ampasa the all canon eyade a ebetimi ayeyi ana eyade a say etimi yeye no ya ebetimi aboa ama won so na tesa wa bra aboa na. These are the things that I was say wo hwe ansana why then one make every decision I will make it when it comes to say ye to aba na ye dey yi okandifo bi ewo eye oman ya ye wo mu ya. These are the things that was a share. And yes, because everyone is saying something, you just follow it. Make sure you make research about what the person is saying. Talk to people about it. Ask them what they think about what the person is saying. Before you go out and vote for that political party, not just because you like them, not just because you were born into that political party, but you make sure that what the person is saying is something that is feasible. It's something that you know it can be done, and it has been done somewhere, and therefore it can also be done in your country. These are the things that I was share. And someone make you decision say, this is the political party. Me per se, me to abadema and answer me to abiding editia. What you say? In that sense, no. So it is going to help you because ebe buama in share omudi Akuapem no. Idea when him say, okay, this is going to help A, B, C, D, E, F, what do I say? So on that basis, you know the reason why you are voting. Therefore, you can just go and vote against that person. Very simple. Very simple. You can just go and vote against that person. We know any big deal be. But in a situation whereby you voted because they told you that you want somebody by way, somebody way so, and they come and they are not able to do those things, that is when you feel disappointed. What do you say? That is when you feel disappointed. That is when you feel like but in actual sense, no, that wasn't the case. The case was that you actually believed that and you know that that thing is not possible because you are not going to tell me that in 2-3 years time you are going to still buy it at 2 cedis. Definitely price in the bed definitely no price in the cost. Atade now turn 5 cedis last 3 years no. I'm not sure you buy the same Atade no and the same 5 cedis no. Definitely in the price in the cost because day in day out no no na dem man so is. So there are things that any so mo be catch you sad no ba betima ba yama. Now I didn't about their man. No, you have to vote based on policies, things that you know that it can be done. That is the reason why you go to the polls to vote. You don't just wake up and go to the polls and make any decision. You vote based on the things that you've heard from the person. The policies are or they go Akuapem to free senior high school, health insurance, FQ, free maternity care, and all those stuffs. What they are saying, free dialysis. Putting childhood cancer and all those stuff on health insurance. These are some of the things that a changing the power it impacting the power. These are some of the policies also washing out the not Friday ice cream, not to go conquer. Those things are not policies. Are a bit what you say. So next time when you are going to the polls to go and vote based on policies. Vote based on policies. We understand what I'm saying. And these are the things that you should start looking at the first say about what is concerned. How do we get on same TV? Media, I'm just any promise.